Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written here. Here we need to find the value of x. The ratio is given. Given ratio is x minus 9 to 3x plus 6. Is a duplicate ratio of 4 by 9. So we can write like this: x minus 9 divided by 3x plus 6 equals to 4 by 9. Now just cross multiply and find the value of x. If we cross multiply this, we'll get 9 into x minus 9 equals to 4 into 3x plus 6. So just expand it now. So we'll get 9 times of x is 9x minus 9 times of 9 is 81 equals to 4 times of 3x is 12x, 4 times of 6 is 24 plus 24. Now we just need to move x terms to one side and constants to other side. So let's add 81 on both sides. If we add 81 on both sides, we'll get 9x is equals to 12x plus 81 plus 24 becomes 105. Now subtract 12x on both sides and move x terms to left hand side. If we subtract 12x on both sides, we'll get minus 3x equals to 105, because 9 minus 12x is minus 3x. Now just divide minus 3 on both sides and find the value of x. So if you divide 105 by minus 3, we'll get minus 35. So the value of x is minus 35. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.